Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can just add a song to our video which we want to upload it. So how we can just do this? For that you can see, first of all we have to just upload a video, and we can do this by just clicking on a plus icon which is present on the bottom center, you can see over there, and you have to just go for a upload a video from over here, and from here you have to just select a video which you want to upload it, and after that you have to click on next. And from over here you can see at the bottom there's a four option, one for the sound, text line and filter. If you just want to add a particular song or just a sound to your video, you have to click on sound, and from over here you can just select a song or just a sound which you want to just add it particular to your video. Like I'm just going to go for this one, and once you selected it you have to just click on the forward arrow, and the song has been just added to your video. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.